So no problem, you didn't want to go with the unlimited agency accounts. That's fine. But I just have one more single offer for you, and it's an amazing deal. For an extra $50 a month, we will give you an extra 50 agency accounts. That means you'll get a total of 75 agency accounts for that extra $50 a month. All right. So if you don't want to take that offer, that's also fine. You can also get extra agency accounts when you run out, but they're going to be at a much higher price. This offer is just for $1 for the agency account. All right. And remember that with your agency account, you get one agency account on every Tier 5 software. That's 7 different software. So it's actually a lot less than $1 per account. So it's a huge income opportunity. If you want to take that, this is also a one-time offer. So only time it's ever going to be offered for you. So if you think that you're going to need more than 25 agency accounts, now's your chance to actually lock in the lowest price that you'll ever get for this. And it's an extra $50 a month, and we'll give you an extra 50 agency accounts. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and just click the green button and you'll get billed an extra $50 a month. If not, there's a no thank you button right underneath of that. I'll see you inside the members area.